In today's video, we'll be exploring the new Jardines IV in Bávaro. Get comfortable because this video starts right now. Back in June 2024, I published a video highlighting the incredible progress in Jardines III in Bávaro. As of today, most of those units are already delivered to its owners. And for those who wish to invest in one of the few available ready-to-move-in unit, reach out to me for the latest in availability and prices. In today's video, we will continue with Hardinas, but moving on to the new Jardines IV located alongside Jardines III. From the Punta Cana International Airport, Jardines IV will be about 20 minutes depending on traffic and road conditions. Jardines IV will offer 13 buildings. Each will have 5 floors with 9 units per floor. Because Phase 1 is selling out quickly, let's get right into the units that are still available so you can have a chance to reserve one right away. Here's the outline per floor. In this first phase, types D and E are completely sold out according to the availability that was shared with me a few days ago, so we won't be covering those. Types A, B, and C still has a few units available, so let's dive right into those. First, we have unit type AB. There will be 4 per floor. You will have the option of corner units or middle units. These will be 2-bedroom units. The master bedroom will have its own private bathroom. There will be a second full bathroom for everyone else to use. There will be a kitchen, living, and dining area, and a balcony. These units will measure approximately 687 square feet. The current price is $106,570. Next, we have Type C. There will be 2 per floor, and they will be corner units. These will be 3-bedroom units. The master bedroom will have its own private bathroom. There will be a second full bathroom for everyone else to use. There will be a kitchen, living, and dining area, and a balcony. These units will measure approximately 949 square feet. The current price is $131,935. The amenities provided in Jardines IV are clubhouse, swimming pool, playground, gym, pet park, lounge area, gazebo, bar and restaurant, meeting rooms, and event hall. Every unit will have a smart system where you can control most of your home electronics. Here are some artist renderings of Jardines IV, followed by some drone shots I captured a few days ago showing the location and proximity to Jardines III. The payment plan is as follows. Reserve with $500 US. Pay 10% down with signed agreement to purchase. Pay 20% during construction. The 70% balance gets paid on delivery. The estimated delivery date is December 2027. To take advantage of the limited number of available units in Phase 1 of Jardines IV and their current prices, get in touch with me right away at 809-223-8416 via WhatsApp or email me to info@propertiesbymasters.com. Thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, hit the subscribe button so this channel can continue to grow. Don't worry, it doesn't cost a penny to do it. Make sure to hit the notification bell and choose the all option so you can get an immediate notification when I publish a new video. Also, please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps others discover it. And continue to share these videos so we can help others as well. When you get a chance, follow me on Instagram at Properties by Masters and visit my webpage, propertiesbymasters.com. See you in the next video.